Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing and checking out the brand new Apple Watch Series 10. This is the GPS 46mm model with a sleek jet black aluminum case and a black sport band. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish smartwatch packed with health and fitness features, stick around! Right out of the box, you get the watch itself, the black sport band in medium-large size, a magnetic charging cable, and some documentation. The design is instantly recognizable, but even more refined. Check out that larger always-on Retina display. The 46mm case gives a bold modern look, and the jet black finish is just stunning. The sport band is super comfortable, sweat-resistant, and perfect for workouts. The always-on Retina display is brighter and sharper than ever, so you can see your stats without raising your wrist, and with GPS tracking, it's perfect for runners and cyclists. Now let's talk health features. This watch is a powerhouse. It has an ECG app to monitor your heart rhythm, blood oxygen tracking, and advanced sleep tracking. Plus, it's water resistant, so you can swim with it worry-free. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a swim, or just tracking daily activity, the Apple Watch Series 10 has you covered. And with all your notifications, calls, and apps right on your wrist, it keeps you connected without grabbing your phone. So, if you're looking for a premium smartwatch that blends style, fitness, and cutting-edge tech, the Apple Watch Series 10 is a fantastic choice. Let me know in the comments. Would you pick this one? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.